Hi everyone, this is question number 2 in Praktis Sumatif. Now the diagram 2 shows a square PQRS of the side 8 cm. So this is 8, this is 8, and this is 8. So let's mark it down first. This is 8, 8. And next, the point O is the center. Is the midpoint of RS, which means this is 4, 4. And we have a right angle here, right angle triangle. And then we have the sector POQ. POQ. So POQ, right, with center O. So we have to show that the angle of POQ is 0.93 radian. Correct to 2 decimal places. Now this one, we have 2 different ways to find it. First, we can use the trigonometry ratio to find the angle of QOR, because this angle and this angle is equivalent. So after that, we use 180 minus away these 2 angles, then we can get the POQ. Or we can use the chord method, because PQ happen to be the chord for this sector POQ. So let's just use that. So the chord PQ is equivalent to 8. And to find the chord, we use the formula 2R sine theta over 2. And this is theta, so equals to 8. Now, but we don't have the R. The R is this one. So what is the R? So we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find the R. So the R basically equivalent to OQ, which is square of 8 plus square of 4, and then square root. So 64 and 16, so we have 80. So square root of 80, we can write it in the form of 16 third 5. Okay, because 80 is 16 times 5, so it's 4 third 5. 4 third 5. Okay, so let's just put the R here. So 2R will be 2 times 4 third 5 sine theta over 2 equals to 8. Therefore, sine theta over 2 will equals to 8 over 8 third 5. Simplified. So to find theta over 2, we have to inverse the function of sine, up sine of 1 over 5 third 5. So what is the value of 1 over third 5? The up sine of 1 over third 5. 26.57 degree. 26.57 degree. And to find theta, so double of this. So we just need 2 times 2. So 53.14, based on this. 53.14 degree. All right, and don't forget, we got to change to radian mode so that we can prove that this angle POQ is correct to 0.93 radian. Okay, so we times pi over 180 degree, whereby the pi value is given, so we shall use 3.142 for that. So 53.14 divided by 180 times 3.142. So the answer is 0.9276. 0.9276, and we round it off to 2 decimal places, 0.93 radian. So we have just shown the angle, because theta is, this is angle of POQ. All right. Now, next, we have to calculate the area of the shaded region. So the area of the shaded region will be, we shall take area of the sector minus the area of the triangle. So the area of the sector will be half r squared. So the r is this, or straight we use this. So we square the 80 and then use the theta 0.93, use that value that we found in part A, and then minus the area of the triangle. So this triangle, the base, okay, if I were to draw this symmetrical line, so I can take the base times the height, half times base times height. So the base is 8, the height is also 8. So with this, we use the calculator. So square of 80 is 80. So 80 divided by 2, we have 40. So 40 times 0.93, then minus, this one was half of 64. So 0.5 times 64. So the answer is 5.2 cm squared. Okay, so that's question number 2.